besties, how are you all doing today? So welcome to VLOGMAS day 5. It's morning time, like I just got ready. I'm going to do my workouts. As usual, this is the 5th day of the week. As you saw, till now throughout in my blogs, you saw that clip where I'm making my shake and this drink. So yeah, so this is the 5th day in a row I'm working out for 1 hour. So yeah, 2 days will be my rest day, as Monday, Tuesday, and then I'll start again from Wednesday. This drink is really good. So in this video you will see my home before after, how it looks before cleaning and then after cleaning. These days I'm not in a mood of like cleaning and showing you all, but I will do one day. I just like filmed before and after clip, and also I'm going to like share one recipe with you all in the afternoon. These days I'm just making this wrap, which we love so much and kids love it so much, like so yeah, I'm going to share in the afternoon. Okay, so I just finished my floor workout, like some cardio I did. So if you want to see, I filmed some clips. I'm going to upload on TikTok, so do go watch if you want to. So yeah, I'm going to do some weights now, and I just thought of telling you all that you can follow me on TikTok if you want to see more videos. And yeah, I took out my nails yesterday, and literally I'm going to do my nails again today. Okay, this is what I'm taking at the moment. Some banana, spinach, and pear. So I'll just add some almond milk and blend, and that's it. And I do take protein powder, like the shake in the morning, is you saw earlier in the video. So I always like drink this only. So yeah, this is my current routine after workout. I always add banana and spinach and whatever else is in the fridge. You'll like this plant, like I brought from outside my garden. Hey, looks pretty. Just thought of putting it here. Looks nice. This is how the tree looks in the daytime. It's nice, $5 tree from Kmart. So I'm going to make some wraps today for our dinner. I'm going to use this super soft wraps. This is whole grain. I got this from Coles, and I've got some salad here which I made, some tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and what else, lettuce is here. And I'm going to use this cheddar shredded. Yeah, I'm going to use this tasty light cheese, and it's from Coles too. And also I have got this like chicken strips. So this is the one. Okay, it's from Coles.
Wait, aren't you gonna cut it in half?
Yeah, I'm going to. So I'm going to use this sauce, and also I'm going to make one of these. Like only I'm going to use one bread from here. This is Turkish roll. So I'm going to make a kind of pizza, and I'm going to just like slice this up like in half, so it will be easy. And I'm going to use like all this on top of this bread. And there is only spinach which I chopped in the morning, so some onion and some tomatoes. So yeah, this is our dinner for tonight.
drinking water. Oh, so cute. Oh, the black one going.